Hey everyone, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to change password in WordPress and what to do if you lost your WordPress password. However, if you don't have a WordPress account already, make sure to check the link in the video description below to get started with a free account. So let's begin. Alright, so in WordPress website, in the login page, if you have lost your password, you can just click lost your password right over here. After entering email address, click on get new password. The password will be sent to your email address. So let me go and log into my email to check. And as you can see, I have received an email from WordPress, which has given us a password reset link. So I'm going to click reset password right over here. After that, I'm going to enter a new password. And after setting a password, I will click on reset password. And my password has been reset. However, if you're logged into your WordPress dashboard, you can change the password from your WordPress dashboard too. Just go to your profile by clicking on the upper right corner over here. And after going to the profile, scroll down. And then under account management, you will find new password button. So we can click set new password right over here. And then we can generate a new password. So after we have set a new password, we can click on update profile. And then you will get a message profile updated and your password will be updated. So that's how you can change password from your WordPress dashboard. So guys, if you found this video helpful, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like these.